Alright, so I'm on my way to a car show. Oh man, this glass is so broken. I better take this off. Anyways, I'm gonna go to a car show right now and trying to find where it is, but I'm kind of lost. So shit. There's a lot of cool bikes out here already. Look at this. Wow. So yeah, this is going to be a different video after I take this glass off. Sometimes I don't get I got a protective glass here and it cracks, so I get a little glare. I don't know if I want to take it off or not. All right, I'm so late, but we'll see. All right, what is going on here? Look at this. What the heck? What is going on here? What? There's a car show. Ah! Alright, I don't know if I'm in the right place or not. That doesn't look like a car show. Oh man, did I come to the wrong place? Look at this boat. Alright, I made it. I guess this is a show. I've seen this bike before. Alright, so I guess this is just like a local kind of thing. But they got music playing in the background, so... Oh, look at this thing. Yeah, it's a tiny show. But it's not bad. For free? Wow, got the Alfreds here. They look like they're on bags. Yeah, I've seen some of these cars before. Alright, hopefully doesn't pick up the music. Look at this AJ hatch. Whoa, that's pretty cool. Before. That's a Mustang. Look at this thing. I saw this last time at the other car show. They also have another Mustang. It might be the same Mustang, but they've changed it. A lot of K cars here. Hopefully this trance music is not going to get me copyrighted. Got a Prius. Whoa, what's going on here? Look at this. It's pretty cool. I feel like I probably know some people here. Whoa, these are crazy. Yeah, usually they come in groups. They're like friends. Look at this one. This one's wild. So I think they just like a group of friends, I think. Oh, look at this thing. Whoa. Inside of this. I wonder if that's real snake skin. Probably not, but it looks like it. I want to touch it. It's pretty cool. It's on air rides. So I'm gonna do one round. Oh wow. Probably just do like one round and then probably use my camera that I brought. This paint here. I don't know if you can see that. Camaro here. Should go with the sun, not against it. Got a Corvette. Change those flip-up lights. It's pretty cool. It's a Charger. probably know somebody. It's a nice day for a show though. I love these Alfreds. Oh man, these are so nice. They even have a dinosaur. Oh man, that's crazy. Dang, look at this Maserati. That's definitely aftermarket. Crazy. It's pretty tight in there. Dang. I think I know the shop for this one. It's nice. It's pretty cool. It's got a full front kit on it. Yeah, it's a small show. I mean, it's free. I had to take like 2 trains to get here. I'll put this in my cars lists. Cars playlist. Yeah, it's tiny. I was expecting a lot more than this thing. Pretty cool. Can't see anything. Man, that's crazy. Look at that body kit. Cars here. Yeah, this is nice. Yeah, I wish there was more cars here. I think that's why the advertisement was not like pushed too hard. I like this. Look at this AMG van. Pretty crazy. I wonder what's in the engine. I've seen this car so many times. It's in my other playlists. It's in my car playlist. Let's let the back there. What is this? AMG V220D. It's a diesel. Parkwood. I get that they want to show their speakers off, but I think it's not a good placement of the cars. Yeah, this thing got a full kit on it. I think this car is on. Look at this thing. Oh my god. Got so many plugs. Look at all those something's rattling here. I wonder, oh my god, is it this car? Oh my god. Whoa, look at these AMSAT fans. Whoa. The radio is out of the dash. This thing is nuts. Whoa. there. A little Suzuki, I think. The whole dash is done. Got a little Makita fan. So this thing ends at 4. Oh my god, look at this thing. What is this? Oh, there's like a little mini DJ in here. It's like a little DJ setup for a small person. Okay, that's just a display. This one's the real thing. This, we've got a mini DJ setup in here. I think overall I'm pretty satisfied. I wish there was like maybe double the amount of cars, but you know, get a video in. I'm surprised they do it like this. They have like boxes stacked up. It's very interesting. The same kind of amplifier. I'm guessing they all, this is like the same shop, and they're more into what are like the switches on there. Like you can like sleep back. There's a bed. There's a futon. I think they're all connected to I don't know how, maybe through this wire. Looking a little rough. This is our engine. Yeah, I think they're all connected to one yeah, see, like this one and this one, they're all playing the same music at the same time. I've seen that girl before, that model. You guys, Recaro seats. This Escalade. Alright, so they got some models here. I don't know what's going on with this dinosaur deal. These Quattro Sport or Quattro, the 4-doors, they're pretty popular in Japan now, and you can get them really cheap. I've seen them for about $30,000. You can get a 4-door Maserati. A 180. It's pretty cool. Alright, we'll go back around. Yeah, I think this is more of like a local thing. Man, I love these Alfords. I wish there was just more of these. You know what? I should go the other way. Go with the sun. This one's I wish, yeah, I wish they had the cars open. Or even the windows. Camberholic. You know what's nice is that I can bust out my camera later, and I can kind of have a lot of space, because usually when I come to the car shows, there's just so many people walking by. I never can get a clean shot. But yeah, I'll just make this like one long video. And then just make it easy. Let's make a nice easy video into the K cars. Look at this. Which one is the real one? They're all real. How that works? I wonder if it's just like, one big exhaust muffler connected. All right. There's not too many cars that are wowing me over, but yeah. I got my camera now, so new camera lens, so it should be good. Got different rims. Yeah, that's it. And then more Alfreds here. They got the work rooms on. I don't know what these are. Oh, this guy's moving the bike. Maybe closer? Oh, that guy was putting his flag away. I don't know if it's finished. I think these guys are like in groups. They come in groups. Like, I think this group is like a group of friends. And then, you know, the American muscle guys, they're like friends. Tell me what you guys think. There's probably like 20 cars in total. I like that grill. I've seen this car at another car show. Let's go see what's going on. The thing was so loud. This thing. Yeah, that's it. This is it. If you're like into cars, you'll know, like, even in America, the car scene's pretty small. Everyone kind of know each other, and it's kind of the same in Japan, where everybody kind of knows each other. Japan's a really small country, so most of these people, I don't know about these guys, but a lot of people drive through Japan to go to these car shows. got crystals. Some of these, the problem with some of these cars is that they look pretty beat up inside. You know, they probably